Everything starts, of course, with the sheep and the grass.
Ullargraf að taka hannyrðir, kvennalist og hefðbundin list sem inn á heimilunum, nytjalist og fara með hana út í borgina.
To me, crochet is my language, is the way I communicate with my audience.
Mostly yarn and how yarn can represent different things. It's in a way kind of like a metaphor for life.
You know, I have interest in not just art, more connected, and whole my life I follow thread.
When you crochet, they want you to put in the craft department. And going out the craft, it's quite difficult, you know, to kind of like establish yourself in art.
Þú kannski byrjar á einhverju risastóru verkefni og þú veist bara að hver lykkja skiptir máli.
And made a fantastic development, and I forgot about people. And I'm making something for people.